Is that where you were before? Oh, I do. Oh my god.
Wait, I see RBWH Hospital from here.
Well, guess what? We're at the Ecanil then. So if we go around, we'll be on that side, hopefully. So that means we don't have to worry about tracking here now?
Yeah. Are we almost here?
We should be, because you'll only be around here.
This looks like an echo.
You are an echo.
I mean, it looks like an echo.
Alright, you know you're moving, don't you?
Yeah. This is brand new.
It is brand new, it's only just open.
We have to depart.
Once again, customers, please stand well clear. You are unable to board this train. This is a set down. So in the next Sydney Loop service. This service is currently approaching Fortitude Valley and expects to arrive in 5 minutes' time.
Bye. Bye, Edna. I'll miss you for 1 year. Maybe I don't know how long. Is that lift brand new? Bye. Bye. How big is Edgar? Oh, there we go. Bye! Bye, everybody! Ooh. I don't know what I'll go to. Oh! Is that burnt coal? legal.
Yeah, no, but who cares? I don't.
Did I do it a bit?
I'm watching.
It's,
But the mad photos you get though, it's worth it. It is so good, it's like,
that green
where are we now?
I don't know. Don't like this. Have you ever been on that Echo Loop?
Oh, years ago.
Do you remember? You would not really know this place, right?
No.
It would all look different because it looks like it's under construction
I
right
love
now.
it.
Look, it's wrong.
Everyone's doing it. There's like there's 6 of them. I've actually seen
Walker Street?
these will be going up on Facebook, so can you
Yeah.
Alright, let's just enjoy it now. That's probably the end, is it?
I don't know where we are right now. Oh! It looks like Fortitude Valley or Central. Oh, it's Roma Street. Oh, I don't want to be. I gotta miss that.
Oh, look, that rain's coming through.
Let's hope.
Is the speed train service to the Echo. Customers, please advise this train will terminate at the exhibition station this afternoon and will not convey passengers beyond the exhibition station. Customer required to make the way further back to allow customers to disembark the train. Will terminate